Can I get some more biscuit?
God, it's all about you, isn't it? It's all about you, all the time. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another Cooking Up a Storm. We're here again. It's a little colder this time. I got the green, whatever it is. What are these called? Welcome back to Cooking Up a Storm. We're in the cold weather. We're doing more stuff. We don't know what we're making yet. We've got a special guest today, so enjoy that. Enjoy it. All right, try number 2.
What are you doing?
Second attempt to invade the property.
What?
Nothing. No. Oh no. Right, we're making a cheesecake. Stay tuned. We're getting the ingredients. You just wait.
Don't doubt me, man, I've been sugary and sweet since round trees. Been around trees since mum pushed a bit of green, yeah, the only thing we're pushing are the boundaries. Yeah, don't chat shit about me. Couple heads calling me a bounty. Bounty on your head for that level of respect. I'm a coconut cause I hide raiders around me. Yeah, I raiders around me. So press play, I don't wanna cross circles. You squarely hate man for trying angles that played me on stations. Endgame.
Wow, there's a strawberry. Fuck, there's a whole box of them.
Alright, so I'm gonna go haggle some cream off an old elderly lady.
And then get
The gate got stuck. Got the cream? Christ, what a bitch.
Hollywood is nothing but some white lies on green screens. Now we're making headway. What I know do.
Did you get the cream?
You better stop paying me for shit, Kane.
You know, I've heard legends, Dom, that the double cream is in this forest for
Yeah.
our cheesecake.
I heard it tastes like God's cum.
We're in the kitchen. We got Dom. We got our ingredients. Twisty biscuits, strawberry warbies, yogi what? No, that's not yogurt. Butter.
Asshole. And I'm Dom. You may know me from such videos as the cast.
And we got the Philadelphia.
You may know me.
Tulip.
I'm Dom. You may know me from such videos as a
What's our first instruction, Dom?
I don't know.
Alright, so we couldn't find a 9-inch, circle pan, so instead
Man, we got to
we're gonna
break
use a
those.
square.
We gotta break those biscuits. Alright,
Alright, biscuits.
And nicely, not all of
in the
them.
pan. Not all of them.
That's a bit much for 4. It's only 4 inches deep.
Right. How are we breaking these, man? How are we breaking these?
So basically, if they hit your mother 3 years ago, and now you want to take some payback, so you give it
Called me a dummy! Bam! We're done. Look at that. Perfectly shaped. And now on to our next step. And 75 grams will do.
And now, let's hit it up with a bit of ground cinnamon. See, personally, I can measure half a teaspoon with just my eyes.
Wow! Perfect!
Now you gotta mix in that kosher salt and cinnamon nicely. Let's get a nice taste. Yeah, that's some good shit.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. There we go, nice and buttered.
So now we get a nice even layer. Check this out, cameraman. No one misses. Oh yeah. That sloppy shit, yeah, man.
Taking his time.
Look at that. Sloppy, wet, slimy. Man, just delicious. Fun fact, cooking cheesecake is my second favourite activity to do.
What's the first?
Tax evasion. They get some full biscuit.
God, it's all about you, isn't it? It's all about you, all the time.
Simply back to me from Kane's a self-entitled prick. You just poured a double cream in there. Like the asshole he is.
Oh my fuck.
So we're gonna have to pour that out. Just put the whole thing in.
Bro, that seems extreme.
There's more in there. We need to do that.
How much code
500 grams, and it's 100%. Put the whole thing in, man. 1 lemon juice. 1 lemon juice. You have a lemon. Put
I
lemon
do have
juice.
lemon zest. If that counts.
No, lemon. Lemon juice.
Yeah, but it's basically lemon juice.
Oh, then yeah, it's fine.
Yo, you want to lick at that, man? You want to?
You wanna see how a real chef cracks an egg?
Well, we'd have to get a chef for that.
Cameraman, take a look. Give it a nice taste, man. Give it a taste.
Nah, I can't
Hey.
take a taste, I'm sorry.
Give it a taste, man.
Nope.
Spread it nicely and evenly. See?
Mmm. Yeah.
Oh man, you're doing a good job.
Down to the bottom. Bro, let's get that down here. Let's get some of that down there. Bit of that across. Remember to go across, ladies and gentlemen. If yours doesn't look like this, you've again done something wrong.
Alright, so we put it in the oven. Oh, you know,
And it went perfect.
It went perfect. Just come have a look.
Come have a look.
Try and make
Yeah.
a cheesecake. So we're just gonna try and
Perfect yellowy goo on top.
we're just gonna
Totally crispy crust.
Try and take it out. And again, if yours doesn't look like this,
You did something
you
wrong.
did something wrong.
Do you know what always helps a meal? A nice decoration.
So, don't even worry.
Oh man, just looks like a nice cheesy lasagna. Mmm.
Exactly, and that's how we have to think of it.
Makes my mouth water.
Mm.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Can we get a close up of the slap sound, please?
man. Just can't wait to try this yummy goodness.
Okay.
It's going well.
Oh my.
Just nice even layer so you can't even see the lasagna. Nice layer.
Nice even layer.
So it covers with atrocity.
Never mind the stuff on the wall.
So there's a nice even
No,
layer.
you just slap that baby in.
It looks like such a mess on the wall.
Well, that,
Someone's just
that one's
finished.
trying to get away.
I know it looks like puke, but
It
it only tastes a little bit like it.
Mmm.
Drop a like, and if you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I think I'll see you on the next episode.